Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful e-commerce template homepage in Next.js, React.js, fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, see the quick e-commerce template look. See my guys, see the beautiful e-commerce template. Beautiful top section, sales section, see, search, position, user, favorites and mini cart. The beautiful top section with big images and the beautiful okay, your look section, see guys, beautiful hover, just brilliant. Gold jewelry section, trending look section, see friends, and the hotel. Scroll to top as well. And now I will show you its responsiveness. And guys, I must say the template is fully responsive, so no need to worry about responsiveness. See friends, will work for all the devices. See guys, just brilliant e-commerce template. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description as well. And guys, here's the course snippet. Let me show you the quick look. See my Next.js project, all the assets inside play. I have play CSS inside this, see, and all the HTML file code inside this page.ts file, and assets I have placed inside public assets folder, see. And guys, if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also my guys, you can contact me via my beautiful blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. You can contact me via my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also you can hire me on Upwork. I'm full-time freelancer as well. And guys, on this blog you will get the multiple, I can say all the free things for Angular, for React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap, and thousands of admin dashboard templates, and all are free of cost. See guys. So guys, this is it for today. After it, I will come with more beautiful things for you, and all are will be free of cost. Friends, in the end, I must say, please subscribe my channel and support me. And also, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.